Just a quick video showing you a quick math example from the last program we made where we are taking in two ages from the user. Whenever you're dealing with numbers in computer science, you're probably going to do some math with them at some point, at least to make interesting programs. After all, computer science is math. There is no difference. So let's say I have the first age from the user and they gave me a second age through these text boxes, right? We are storing them from the text box, converting them to integers and storing them in our variables. I want to make a third variable. I want to make a variable to calculate and hold the age difference between these two ages. So for example, if the user was using my program and they gave me a 28 for the first age and they gave me a 23 for the second age, these numbers would be stored in the box, and I could calculate the difference in these ages by going 28 minus 23, which would give me an age difference of 5. However, I do not know they are going to give me a 28, and I do not know they're going to give me a 23, so it's not sufficient to write code 28 minus 23. I don't know what numbers they're going to give me. However, what numbers they do give me are being stored in these boxes, so these boxes hold the numbers that I need. So if I wanted to calculate the age difference, well, first I need to decide when do I want to calculate it. Probably when they hit the submit button. So when they hit the submit button, we are taking whatever numbers they give us and storing it in the box, storing it in the variables. So if I wanted to calculate the difference in those two ages, I could say, hey, I need a value for this variable. So this variable is going to be equal to whatever number is being stored in the first variable, the first box, subtract whatever number is being stored in the second box. Therefore, I don't need to know what numbers in the boxes. Whatever number is there, the proper math will happen. That's the beautiful thing about variables. Now, after I've calculated this age difference, it's probably a good idea to let the user know what I've done and what this value is. So the age difference, I'm just going to update a label. The age difference between those two ages is, and then how do I get the value of age difference? Well, after I'm done with a bunch of words, I just go plus, I attach my variable. I attach the value of my variable. So here we go. I'll use my 28 and my 23. I submit, and the age difference between those two ages is 5. And the beautiful thing is, it doesn't matter what numbers I put, my program is set up to calculate no matter what numbers it's given, because it's all about which numbers are being stored in the variables. So that is a quick example on how to do some simple math with variables.